Welcome to PAL's Fundamentals. More videos like this are on the YouTube channel. The sources are linked below. Let's get started with your Faroe Islands news report for today, Sunday, January 26th.
Sounds good. First up, the weather. Today we'll have variable winds, light to moderate breezes. Mostly cloudy skies with a chance of snow flurries. Temperatures will reach a high of 4 degrees Celsius before dropping to freezing or slightly below overnight. As we move into the week, northerly winds will strengthen, potentially reaching strong gale force by Tuesday evening. Partly cloudy skies will continue with a chance of snow flurries. Wednesday brings a fresh breeze from the northwest, with a chance of flurries and temperatures hovering around freezing. By Thursday, the winds shift to the south, becoming strong and bringing rain by evening. Friday starts with strong winds from the northwest before calming down later in the day and shifting to southerly.
Turning to the news now. There was renewed discussion about the Faroe Islands' political future within the Kingdom of Denmark.
Right. Former Prime Minister Kjell Holm Johannesson, who proposed a kingdom of 3 independent nations in 2012, still believes this is the best path forward. This comes as all political parties are meeting to discuss potential changes to the current relationship with Denmark.
In health news, new research suggests that incorporating physical exercise into cancer treatment could significantly improve survival rates.
Yeah. Professor Magni Moore emphasizes the benefits of strength training and overall fitness for cancer patients. The study indicates that strength and good physical condition could enhance the effectiveness of medical treatment and improve patients' tolerance.
Moving on to the fishing industry.
This week has seen mixed results for the Faroes fishing fleet. Trawlers have had some success, particularly those fishing for blue whiting. However, others have reported meager catches. Rough weather conditions are expected to impact smaller fishing vessels in the coming week.
A new Portuguese Faroes dictionary is being launched today.
That's right. The event is taking place at Luxor in Porsham and will feature speeches from dignitaries, musical performances, and refreshments.
In business news, the CEO of Bakkafrost, Region Jacobson, is criticizing the lack of political action regarding the green energy transition in the Faroe Islands.
He believes this inaction could negatively impact the Faroes' economy and its international standing.
Finally, let's look at international relations. Former Swedish Prime Minister Carl Bildt has expressed concern over potential conflict between the U.S. and Denmark regarding Greenland.
Yes, he urges Denmark and the EU to prepare for a serious confrontation, arguing that Trump is serious about expanding U.S. territory by acquiring Greenland. And that concludes your news update.
For Sunday, January 26th.
Yes.
You can find more information on all of these stories in the links below. And be sure to subscribe to PAL's Fundamentals on YouTube for more content like this.